A beautiful shot of the city, even in rain. You know, we need it badly. Too much of a good thing almost in some cases, especially with these downpours coming through. Right now, 47 in town, northeast wind at 16. Ooh, makings of a raw night. You see the rain through the Merrimack Valley. You see it down through the canal and then out around Greater Worcester. Intermixed with some lighter batches of rain. We go through these pulses, these heavy pulses that are in Portsmouth right now, and also Amesbury to about Methuen, Pelham, New Hampshire, all involved in that, Salem too. And then we continue it down through Chelmsford and Groton right into Leominster right now. Worcester, lighter rain showers, also in Newton. And then into Boston, it's steady, but not terribly heavy. Not like it is right now in Wareham, and then over to Barnstable too. The Cape has missed out on the rain yesterday. Now you're going to get some. And downpours coming as well. People are asking me, who gets the bullseye? Who gets the jackpot? Who gets the most rain? Well, it's tough to say that because we're not tracking individual showers. We're seeing this event just unfold over us, and showers growing and blossoming and dying and moving. So everybody has a chance to get at least an inch of rain, maybe up to 2 or closer to 3 if you get involved in a really heavy downpour. Or you get one of those downpours that moves over you, and then another one comes up right behind it too. So that's usually a double whammy. Anyway, it should be tapering off after 2 or 3 o'clock, pushing out through the Cape and then offshore, and then we're done with it. And it looks like the clouds will be around. Now that's the issue on Wednesday. How many of these do we break up? How quickly does the sun return? Give it time. What happens now, folks, is that we've saturated the atmosphere and we've actually saturated the soils. So now you have a feedback process. Your moisture, soil moisture, is huge in any climate, and that actually has a feedback, and it keeps clouds around, and it keeps it hard and makes it harder to warm up, believe it or not. So I'm just putting that out there. Once you get into a wet pattern, it's hard to get out of them sometimes. Just like when you're in a dry pattern, it's hard to get out of those. And we came out of one in Boston and in Worcester. 16th driest May on record in Boston and the driest May in Worcester. Now in the 40s today, we did break that record for the coldest high temperature for this date. 52 was the number to beat, set back in 1992. And then we were 49. Just 1992 was the year without a summer, by the way. It was right after the eruption of Mount Pinatubo, and it was very cold. It was in the 50s on the 4th of July. I'm not saying that's going to happen this year. Sox should get the game off tomorrow evening, and then Wednesday looks okay with temps in the upper 50s. So tonight, downpours and rain, cool and raw, 46 to 49. And tomorrow, not much in the temp department. Once again, only around 50 or the low 50s. Mid-50s out on Cape Cod. There's your 7-on-7 forecast. Hope for the weekend. And early on Wednesday and Thursday, at least we're partly sunny. I'll see you then.